I'm gonna go watch Daniel pee. Daniel, what are you doing over there?
Nothing.
Oh, no hands.
Nice.
Oh,
Look at the skill.
look at the stream. Oh. That's poop. Caca. We just came out here to dig.
Pretty much. We're kind of looking for treasure, I thought. I mean, that's just me though. I love a good treasure hunt.
Goddamn rednecks. Who the fuck shoots at a fucking pallet?
Fuck yourself.
Oh, someone else is at it. That's a tree. That's fresh poop.
Fresh poop.
Fresh poop. Ow! I was the first one to get hurt. God damn it.
Step out in the open or what?
Yeah? Almost made out with the ground. What are you doing, Daniel? Don't smile. Don't look happy, dude.
I won't.
Don't look happy. We're men. We're fucking men, Daniel. We don't fucking smile. That's in Arizona.